Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pipedrive and enable activity reminders, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.pipedrive.com. Press the enter key on your keyboard. You will be directed to the Pipedrive homepage. In the top right corner, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will see a prompt for your email and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. If you want to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Once you've entered your information, click the Login button. After logging in, you will land on your Pipedrive dashboard. Now, to enable activity reminders, look for your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Personal Preferences. In the Preferences menu, navigate to the Activity section. Here, you will find options for reminders. Toggle on the reminders option you wish to enable. You can customize the timing for each reminder based on your preference. Once you've made your selections, scroll down and click the Save button. Your activity reminders are now set up and will keep you informed. You can always return to this menu to adjust your settings as needed. Enjoy utilizing Pipedrive with your new reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.